Hello guys, we are back with another Leetcode problem and today is day 12 of February. Let's see the today's question, and the today's question is the word Latin. It's a medium question and it's a fall into the category of hard. Let's dive into the question. A transformation sequence from word begin word to word end word using a dictionary word list is a sequence of word begin word to S1 to S2 and so on to SK such that every adjacent pair of word differ by a single letter and every SI for one lie I lie to 1 to K is in the word list. And note that word begin word doesn't need to be in the word list, and as my it's necessary my last element sk is equal to end word. And here is the right some condition give you have given a two words begin word and end word and a dictionary word list. You have to return a number of word is in the shortest transformation sequence from begin word to end word, or if not present I'm going to return 0 in that case. So what's my actually, let me explain what's I'm this question asked using this example one. I have to change this hit to this cog by using this word list, and I can change only one letter at a time and try to reach us to here in the shortest manner. So that's my motto, and here's a one of the shortest transformation sequences given. I'll changes my hit to the hot. I'll changes I to O in that case, and hot to dot. I'll change this H to D, and dot to dog. I'll change this T to G, and dog to cog in that case. And I'll just count it here for your sake of saving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that case, I'll just return it 5. So how can I solve this problem? What I'm going to do, I'll try to change this H to the, I'll change this to H to A, B, C, D, E, F, G to J till the Z, and try to find out is it present in my dictionary list or not. If it present, I'll just add it into somewhere and make a consecutive array, and after that I'll looking for the solution again. It's like a BFS, breadth first searching. I'll try to find out all possible word make by this by changing only one letter in that given string, and that's it. If I able to find out the cog anyhow, I'll just return it the how many ladder needed in that case. So for doing this thing, let, and if we call a BFS we needed a queue too. If I without queue it's a little bit tough, so I'll use the queue. uh, I'll use it we I know we needed a queue for we are calling a BFS, and for making our seek of for reducing our time complexity for searching and all the things, I use here a special data set name is unordered set and string, let's name it set, and in that set I'll just push it all the element of word list. So I'll just copy the name here and control v dot begin dot, and that's it. And after doing, I'll just push it this element uh, begin word. So I'll just push it begin word here. After pushing the begin word, I'll enhance the count cnt it in this cnt. I'll just storing the how many string is needed in that case. And so I'll just made it in this. So let's, I have to doing a breadth first search until my queue is reaches to empty. So first and foremost I have to find out the size, how many uh, element is present in my queue. So queue dot size, and after that my duty is int I is equal to 0. I have to looking uh, what I'm going to do, I'm looking for solution in breadth for such manner. So first and foremost, I needed a word. I'll just take out one word from this queue. So I'll just q dot front. I just pick the letter from my I pick the letter from my this queue, and after picking the letter, my duty to remove this letter. And after removing this element, what I'm going to do, I made some computation. First computation is that if my this word is if it's equal to the end word, in that case I have to return my count because I reaches to the end. In that case I reaches to the end. If not, so my first duty I have to erase this word into my set, because if I don't, maybe it just I got the repeated case. So I'll just remove this word here. So I'll remove this word. After the removing the word, my duty, I'm looking for the solution in the breadth such manner. So I pick this word, and I my duty to changes each letter and try to it's present in my data set or not. So that's why what I'm going to do, I made a simple computation. I have to change some position of that word. So word dot size j plus plus, and I need to change some. So let's for making a changes, I'll change the character of any character. So word, let's say I'll change the character of C. I store somewhere it, because here I little bit like a backtrack I'm doing here. For int k is equal to 0, I changes this jth character to the a b c d for changing like that. So I run my loop from 0 to 26 and k plus plus. And here what I do actually, c sorry mm, word j, in the word j what I'm going to put it, uh, a plus k. After put it, what I'm going to do is maybe present, and I have to find out is this present in my set or not. If it not, if it's present in my set, I have to push it into my queue, and q dot push this word in, push this word. And after pushing this word, let's say I'll find out all the I made the changes, and in this given character j. So I know I can change only one position. Let's say I'll just do all the computation for this. I'll make changes to a to z for this. So I have to make sure when I looking for changes, make some changes into this I have to roll back this h again. For rollbacking case, what I'm going to do, in the word j I'll again push it this c. Yeah, that's it. After pushing this c, my duty, whenever I again, let's I'm just coming to this hit to hot, this hit to hot. In that case I have to enhance my count. So I'll just count hit, enhance my count here. And let's say if I didn't return from here, what does it mean? It means I never reaches to the end word. If I never reaches to end one, it shows I can't able to find out. So in that case I'm returning 0 in that case. So let's submit this code, guys. That's my code, and it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then.